Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you 100 plus contrast color blouse design for blue color silk saree. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we all are know that blue color silk saree look good and classy with contrast blouse as well as same color blouse design. In this video, we are showing you some of the best and beautiful contrast blouse design for blue color silk saree. Friends, pink color blouse pretty good for blue color silk saree. Many celebrities love to wear this kind of combination saree with blouse. They pair their contrast pink blouse with Kanjipuram silk sarees. Embroidery work, stone work, mirror work, and thread work blouse is added to extra glamorous look. For a modern and trendy world, you can pair light blue blouse with your dark blue silk saree. It gives you attractive and beautiful look. This combination best choice for wedding, engagement, get together and all other special occasion. Friends, if you wear blue color silk saree with orange color contrast blouse, you look absolutely stunning. Blue color silk saree with golden color blouse also gives a elegant look. This kind of blouse you can pair it up with most of the silk saree, especially the darker shade. Friends, we know that blue color silk saree with green blouse is a classic contrast combination. It gives a traditional look to the saree. Many of the women love to wear this kind of combination for their wedding and reception. Friends, blue silk saree always look exceptionally stunning with red color blouse. If you want to wear completely contrast blouse color, you can go red color blouse. This kind of color combination look traditional and beautiful yet stylish. Many celebrities like to wear this kind of color combination. Red color blouse always look good with as well as without embellishment. Friends, blue color represent independent voice and freedom. That's why many Indian women love to wear blue color silk saree with contrast blouse. Friends, if you wear blue color silk saree with contrast yellow color blouse, it gives you wonderful and attractive look. This kind of blue color silk saree with yellow blouse combinations are perfect suitable for wedding, engagement, parties and all other special occasions. Friends, blue color silk saree with blue color blouse also gives a stunning look. If you wear blue color silk saree with embroidery, stone work, mirror work, lace work, and some airy work blue color blouse, it gives you wonderful and glamorous look. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.